how to create digital business cards in Canva. Here is a concise guide on how to create digital business card using a popular tool Canva in just a few minutes. Creating a digital business card can be a great way to share your content information easily and efficiently. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a digital business card. So firstly, all you have to do is open your browser, and dive into canva.com. So this is the home page. As you can see, here we have Canva and other options. We have design spotlight, visual documents, visual sites, tags, presentations, whiteboards, PDF editor, graphs and charts. Then we have photos and videos, video editor, YouTube video editor, photo editor, photo collage, background remover. Print, we have business cards, invitation, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars, labels. About marketing, we have logos, posters, flyers, brochures, social media, websites, stickers, yard signs, QR code generator. About businesses, we have Canva Enterprise, Canva Teams, contact sales. You can click over the one you want. As you can see here, we have business solutions, marketing, creative, agencies, sales, communications, real estate, small and medium businesses, startups, franchises, and all business solutions. You can click over here and you can know more information about business solutions. Then we have use case, content creation, visual communication, brand management, team collaboration, asset management, brainstorms and workshop, branded team place, then productivity and workflows. Then we have resources. We have business resources, case studies, features, integration and apps, security, enterprise, onboarding services. Then we have education. As you can see here, we have teachers and schools, students, teaching resources, LMS integrations, case studies, higher education. Then become an education creator. We have create and publish your own resources on Canva and earn by sharing. And here we have others. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over sign up and start with Google, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, with email. So all you have to do is click over here and write your email, then you confirm your email and you sign up. If you want to have an account, all you have to do is click over log in and find your account. Here we have all you design today. Canva makes it easy to create and share professional designs, so start designing. Here you have a lot of various designs. You have posters, resumes and logos. Sorry, we have a lot of features, docs, whiteboards, presentations. Then we have also other things like social, videos, websites, Instagram posts, brochures, photo editors, and also we have here a perfect fit for everyone. So we have firstly for one person, Canva free for designing or working in it on anything. Then you can just click over get Canva free, as you can see. So the second one, we have Canva Pro for growing your brand or passion project with premium features. You can just click over start free pro trial. Then we have for your team Canva Teams for teams to create together with premium workplace tools and workflows. So you can just click over start free Teams trial. So here we have create with EA. We'll find the way you create with Magic Stereo, our suite of EA power tools that generate copy in your brand voice with Magic Write and transform your photos with Magic Edit. Then we have design with others. Invite friends and family to design with you or set your whole team up to work together. Our collaborations features let you comment and work in real time on presentations, whiteboards, docs, videos, or that birthday party planning. Then we have templates for absolutely anything. Customize an office template or design something more personal like an invitation. You can just see how much invitation and decors. It's very different. As you can see, you can choose the one you want here. Then we have the plan that gets down to business. Empower everyone to design together with Canva. Here we have AI powered efficiency. Bring your brand in-house, beautiful approval flows. So creating a digital business card can be a great way to share your content information easily and efficiently. Here is a step-by-step how guide how on how to create digital business card. Step 1 is choose a platforms or app. Select a platforms or app. There are several apps and platforms available for creating digital business cards such as Canva, Adobe Spark, Vista Player, Vista Print, and dedicated apps like Hi Hello, Camcard, or Hi Stack. Step 2 is sign up or log in. Create an account or log in if you are using an app. Download it from your app store and create an account or log in if you already have one. Step 3 is select a template. Browse templates. Most platforms offer a variety of templates. Choose a template that fits your brand or personal style. Then select a template. Click on the template to start customizing it. Then step 4 is customize your digital business card. At your logo, upload your company logo. Most platforms will have an option to add image or logo. Then enter your information, include your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, website, and any other relevant information. Then customize this design, change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Most platforms allow you to drag and drop elements to create a design that you like. Then you have add social media links. Include icons and links to your social media profiles to make it easy for people to connect with you online. Step 5 is save and export. Preview your card before finalizing. Preview your digital business card to make sure everything looks good. Then save your card, save your design. Most platforms will save your card and your account for future edits. Then export your card, export your digital business card as an PNG or PDF file. Some apps also allow you to share your card via a QR code. So step 6 is share your digital business card via email or via social media or via QR code. By following these steps, you can create a professional and eye-catching digital business card that you can easily share with others in a variety of ways. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.